What's going on, everybody? I'm Tony.
I'm Kyle.
Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be out on the track with the one and only Kyle Coles on, what is that? A
2013 R6.
2013 R6 in B Superstock. So you got like R6s, ZX6Rs. What kind of bikes are out there?
600cc 4 cylinders, or
okay.
675 triple cylinders.
Okay. So essentially bikes that are a whole shit ton faster than my measly 300.
A little bit.
Before we get Kyle out on the track, no spoilers. It's Sunday. The race was yesterday. You're gonna have to watch the video to figure out how it went. But I want Kyle to kind of walk us through the bike a little bit, let us know what's done to it. This is a really damn cool bike. I love the Yamahas. I love the R6s. I've heard a lot of people say it's like the perfect race bike platform.
It's great.
Very cool, very cool. Tell me a little bit about it.
All right. This is my beautiful 2013 R6. Tuned by Jimmy Cambora with RaceWorx. Best suspension guy out here. Highly recommend him. A couple Pirelli tires from Hutchinson. Again, love the Pirellis. They're great. They're the best. Stock motor. Runs pump gas. Got a good old OEM battery in there. Make sure she starts every time. Traction dynamics, gas cartridge forks, and the Penske triple clicker in the rear. And then other than that, you know, not a whole lot going on. Stock throttle body. I do have the Brembo Master on there, and you know, we just get after it. And I also real quick want to give a shout out to 60 Helmets. They're pretty awesome. Not a lot of road racing guys really even know about this brand, but they've got some pretty innovative stuff they do with the helmets and protects your head really well. Unfortunately, I have tested it and it works.
60helmets.com, I would imagine.
Yeah.
I'll link the helmet website, description, whatever. I'll link that down in the description. I've done some research on these helmets as well. They look super cool, so go check them out. With that said, it is race time. Huge thanks to Kyle. Thanks for entertaining my shenanigans. Let me put the cameras on your bike. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like the video, hit the like button down below. Hit up Kyle, show him some love, and if you dig this, consider subscribing. So, I'm gonna shut up, he's gonna shut up, we're gonna go race. Go ahead and pause it real quick right there, because on the first lap from a dig, Kyle managed to put down a 1:41. Now, that's not like lap record pace, but it is blisteringly fast, especially when you consider that I do like 54s on my 300. Now, I wanted to pause the video because that was lap one. In one lap, Kyle managed to get himself about 5 seconds clear of the person who was hanging out in second place. Now, for the sake of entertainment, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, laps 2, 3, 4, and 5 went pretty much exactly like that. So we're gonna go ahead and fast forward to the last lap of the race where things get a little more interesting. That was unexpected. So as you saw, Kyle came up on some lap traffic and it really slowed him down. He had a lead of about 5-6 seconds, and when he started coming up on that traffic, he was doing the respectful thing. He was giving him space. He wasn't trying to like stuff him into the corners, and that was allowing the folks in second and third place to just reel him back in ever so slightly. And last lap, last corner, that's exactly what happened. So believe it or not, another Kyle, dude by the name of Kyle Fox, reeled him back in and literally just barely pipped him to the line. If you look at the race results from B Superstock Expert, it was 1/100th of a second that Kyle Fox beat Kyle Coles. That's wild. Yeah, but I told Kyle, I was like, man, dude, you should have won that race. And he was just like, no, like I shouldn't have won that race, and I didn't win that race. If I should have won it, I would have won it. You know, so I think that just shows the sportsmanship that he has, but also that a lot of the guys and gals have within road racing, CMRA, Moto America. It doesn't really matter. If he really deserved that win, he would have won it. Now, Kyle was obviously frustrated with the result, leading for as long as he was, with as big of a gap as he had. You know, it's racing, but we're going to go ahead and chalk it up to the fact that cameras were on the bike were the only reason that Kyle Fox, all these damn Kyles, Kyle Fox caught up to Kyle Coles and ultimately took the race victory. Now, the second all of the cameras came off the bike, Kyle Coles just absolutely turned it on. Every single race that he entered for the remainder of the weekend, he won by pretty nice margin, including one race where he put in a 1:36.2, dang near a 1:35. Like that's flying. Like, to me, that kind of speed and pace, that's unimaginable. Yeah, so you could definitely say that Kyle redeemed himself at the end of the weekend. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. Another Expert Series video in the books. Hope you enjoyed this one. Again, I just want to say a huge thank you to Kyle for entertaining this, letting me throw the cameras on his bike. I know that he had a little bit of fun. I definitely had fun with it as well. I'm sorry we didn't get the dub, but it made for an interesting video. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button down below. Show Kyle a little bit of love. He needs it after that second place finish. If you dig content like this, consider subscribing, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I love you. Have a good day. Bye. I don't even know. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.